Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. My name is Miss K and this is Homeschool. On today's episode, we're going to be making popcorn. First, I'm going to be introducing all the materials we need to create our cool, yummy popcorn. First, I have my marker, my glue gum, glue stick. I have this interesting marker, pencil. Then I have this cotton woods that we're going to roll into cotton boards. I'm going to teach you how to roll it into cotton boards and form our corn, our popcorn. We have our ruler, as usual. We're not going to forget our pair of scissors. It's very important for our craft. But note that you cannot use these scissors without the supervision of an adult. Lastly, I'm going to show you our papers. So we're going to be using our sugar paper, red. Then we have our A4 paper, white. Then we have our black sugar paper. So we're going to be creating this base, which is a circle. First off, try as much as possible to find something circular around you. This is what I will be using for mine. So I'm going to place it on my base. Then I'm going to take my pencil. Then I sketch it out this way and that way. Next, I'm going to cut out my round shape following the pencil line that I created. Have my perfect round base. Next, I'm going to teach us how to cut out our popcorn pack. First, your pencil, then your ruler. You place it like this on your red sugar paper. Then you draw. You place your ruler to the base and you give it, then you create a 7 centimeter base. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. Then we're closing it up with 14 centimeter too. So this is what we have. Now we're going to cut it out. Make sure your hands are straight. So you can see that below my pencil line, I'm having excess. So it's fine for you. You can snip it out so that you have a very clean craft. So I snipped it out. Now I'm going to bring back our base. Don't forget the round base that we cut earlier. So I'm going to bring it out. Then I'm going to place my popcorn pack on it. Now we need our glue stick. So here you can either use your glue stick or your glue gum. So glue stick because we're using sugar paper and sugar paper is soft. So glue because this is thicker. So whichever way, you can use any of this glue, but I'll choose to use the glue stick. You set it aside. Then you bring your popcorn pack and you stick. We still have some edges left. It's fine to put it at the edges. Nice. This is what we have. Next, I'm going to be using our white A4 paper. Don't forget. Now we have to create some strips. So instead of cutting our strips one after the other, I'm going to teach us how to cut multiple strips at the same time. So first you have to measure pick your paper, then you roll. You keep rolling, roll. You can snip the excess out. Nice. Now, your scissors, you put it in between the lines. Make sure it doesn't lose back. If it loses back, roll it again. Make sure you create a hole like this. Then you put your scissors in between, then you cut. You turn over. Can you see how many strips we have all at once? It saves our time, our energy, and we have a lot of those strips. So let's get to work. So I'm going to bring back my popcorn base. Then I'll try to create my strips. Now you have to calculate how many strips you want to apply. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mine could be 6 or 7. So now I'll bring back my glue stick, create a line, then I go ahead to stick. I have excess, then I'll just snip the excess away. Then close the tip. You need to follow the shape of your pack, your popcorn pack. You need to follow the shape. That's how your strips will be lined up. So once you do the left hand side, then you put the right hand side so that the middle ones would form the shape that you need. So I'm going to take my glue stick again, line it up, then I stick it on perfectly. Now we've created our popcorn pack. Let's go ahead to create our popcorn itself, and that's the most exciting part of it. So here we have the cotton wool, and that's what we're going to be rolling into cutting boards to create our popcorn. So I'm just going to take a bit like this. We'll bring back our popcorn pack, then we'll start applying. Here we're going to use our hula gum. So I'm going to have a whole lot of popcorn on this pack. We need some pieces of white to actually brand. We want to brand our popcorn pack. You can actually draw on your paper just the way I did. So we want it to look really, really interesting, right? Because popcorn is yummy. So I'm going to be taking my very nice marker to form the edges of our branding. So we have popcorn. I'm going to bring back my popcorn pack. I'm going to stick the branding on it. lastly, I'm going to take back my black marker and dot the popcorn. All right. Lastly, that's yellow-like touch, that golden yellow-like touch that you have on your popcorn. I'm going to recreate that with my yellow marker. This is what your popcorn is supposed to look like. I hope you had a fun time creating this with me. See you next time. Bye.